As we all know, in the conditions of the modern world, our science is developing, and engineers are ready to make even the most daring fantasies come true. The future is already here. Every day, companies present new concepts of autonomous electric cars, which are about to enter the market and replace gasoline and diesel cars, which are so harmful to the environment. In our today's episode, we have prepared for you an interesting collection of the most impressive car concepts that will be released in the next 5 years. Let's dive into a world of new cars without wasting a second. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click on the bell. Enjoy watching! This Cadillac Interspace concept is an unmanned sports car of the future. This is an electric luxury car for 2 people. This car is truly innovative. It offers stylish, modern, and minimalistic design, a real cinema inside while reaching high speeds, and using smart autopilot. Audi Skysphere is a vision of the future by the company. It's all about its beautiful design that is clearly different from all the previous models. This is an electric 2-door convertible with the autopilot of the 4th grade and headlights of the next generation that can be moved out only when needed. Pininfarina Teorema is a new generation car. This electric car boasts 1,000 horsepower and a revolutionary thin bottom part, which make it possible to make the interior of the car very spacious and give passengers a sense of freedom, which is truly rare these days. BMW XM is an impressive SUV concept of the future. This beast is equipped with 2 engines, V8 and electric, which makes it the most powerful hybrid. This car will definitely lead the ratings of premium cars and will seriously compete with other well-known manufacturers. Renault Air is a truly unique project by Renault. These guys decided to create a flying car. They said that since road traffic interferes with a comfortable life and there are no obstacles above our heads, the sky is a great alternative to roads. And this Audi Grand Sphere is a 4-door all-electric sedan. This model impresses with its twin-engine technologies and the driving distance of 750 kilometers. It sounds good, doesn't it? According to the manufacturer, this Hopium Machina Vision will be able to travel almost 1,000 kilometers when refueling in just 3 minutes. Its engine will generate 368 kilowatt-hours, which will allow one to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 5 seconds. It certainly sounds like something out of this world, but the company promises to release a car in 2025. This Lancia Poo plus Ra Zero concept is a radically new design that could become the standard for the coming decades. Special attention will be paid to the interior of the car, which will resemble a chic hotel room. Peugeot Inception can safely take the role of the flagship of the next generation of electric cars. It'll be possible to control the car using a tablet completely without touching the steering wheel. Ram Revolution is an electric pickup that will be available for purchase next year. This innovative truck will be equipped with a virtual assistant, the autonomous driving system of the 3rd generation, and can travel up to 180 kilometers after 10 minutes of recharging. Mini Vision Next 100 will meet its owner after making a call from a phone application. It will adjust to the driver like a smart assistant and friend. When such advanced technology appears on the market, the need for drivers will completely disappear. Cadillac interior offers complete autonomy and a TV instead of glass. This concept is called Cosmic because this car does not need a driver, and any trip in it will be a pleasant vacation. Even the steering wheel and driver's seat cannot be found in this Cadillac. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX is a high-tech electric car with a travel distance of 1,000 kilometers. The most unique feature is the minimum level of energy consumption, only 10 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Solar panels, which are planned to be placed on the roof, will be used to power the climate control system. Rolls-Royce 103EX is truly a car of the coming future. The role of the driver in this car will be taken by the Eleanor artificial intelligence system. The 6-meter interior space will invite passengers inside with the help of a red light path. And this Kia EV9 electric crossover will have a travel distance of a bit more than 480 kilometers, a 27-inch display. Thanks to a super powerful battery, the charging process will just take 20 to 30 minutes. The steering wheel will be oval, even though there will be no need for it, because there is an autopilot system in this car. Armored Truck SUV is a concept of a military vehicle of the future. This car is able to survive in any circumstance and overcome even the most difficult and impassable sections of the road. Armored Truck can be used as a bunker in case of an unexpected disaster. It is difficult to call this device on wheels just a car. It is rather a beast with 2,000 horsepower. Volvo cars are known for their comfort. Each trip resembles a vacation, and therefore their New Haven concept is a mini paradise on wheels. This is a futuristic electric car with an all-wheel drive and an autopilot system. It will have no displays at all. All of them will be replaced with a tunnel containing plants, algae, and moss. This will help passengers relax and enjoy the ride. Lincoln Model L100 is a concept of a whole new level of luxury. It offers an incredibly elegant, minimalistic, and very attractive interior that looks more like a modern office. Audi Skysphere concept is a harmonious combination of power, modern design, minimalism, as well as automated productivity. Citroën 1919 is the combination of the latest developments in the field of ergonomics, communications, and mobility. It offers 2 electric motors, one for each pair of wheels, acceleration to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, and a travel distance of 800 kilometers. As you can see, it looks more like a space shuttle. It's impressive. Mercedes-Benz F-015 Luxury is a concept of an autopilot car that will perfectly fit into modern cities in 2028. The doors of this wonderful car open in opposite directions. 4 electric motors will have a lot of power, thus allowing the car to stay on the market for many more years after release. It will not become obsolete. The Porsche Vision GT electric car will have a 2-door sports coupe body. It is equipped with 2 electric motors for each pair of wheels with a total power of 950 kilowatts. The speed limit of the concept of the new electric car is 350 kilometers per hour. It will be able to reach the speed of 100 kilometers per hour in 2 seconds. One charge for this sports car is enough to cover 500 kilometers. Toyota GR GT3 has an interesting appearance. It has a long hood and an almost invisible trunk. The company says that this model of a racing car will become the fastest Toyota in history and will be ahead of its competitors in all aspects. GFG Style Kangaroo is an electric car that accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The maximum speed is 250 kilometers per hour, and it hides 490 horsepower under its hood. One charge is enough to cover a distance of 500 kilometers. Bugatti Vision GT is a symbiosis of technology, practicality, and versatility. In this car, you will not find unnecessary features. Each element is responsible for an important function and has great meaning. The car is equipped with an all-wheel drive system and a W16 engine with 1,700 horsepower. Lamborghini Vision GT is a real supercar for gamers. Just look at this design. It's impressive. In just 2 seconds, the speedometer will reach 100 kilometers per hour. The car boasts 820 horsepower and a maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Such a car will definitely attract the attention of true connoisseurs of racing beasts. Audi Active Sphere is an electric vehicle concept that can transform from a chic coupe into an SUV pickup truck. It can be used to transport even mountain bikes. The manufacturer promises that the car will be controlled using virtual reality glasses. 10 minutes of charging will be enough to cover 300 kilometers. Cadillac EV is an electric sedan with a price starting at $300,000. I can say that its appearance already justifies such a price. This car looks luxurious. The main feature of the car will be its level of technology. Renault Tracer is the future that is already here. Such a stylish and high-tech sports car will become one of the most demanded vehicles of our generation. And this Aston Martin Vanquish Vision is an electric supercar with impressive performance. 950 horsepower provides acceleration to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and a maximum speed of 330 km per hour. The travel distance is not less than 600 kilometers on one full charge. Hispano-Suiza Carmen Boulon is an electric car worth $2 million. Why is it so expensive? It offers a battery of 80 kilowatt hours, a travel distance of 350 kilometers, and 1,114 horsepower hidden under the hood. There are only 5 purple cars of this model around the world. And Barbagallo X01 will end our today's selection. This is a 2-seater that can replace all luxury and expensive cars, at least according to its manufacturer, Barbagallo. Do you think there is any sense in these words? Well, that's it. We're waiting for you in the comments below to discuss the most impressive concepts.